Here you go. You gonna do it? Is it good, banana pudding? Mmm. Is it good? Yum. You get it all? Is it yummy? Get it off there. Want some more?
Me.
Me? Yeah, you. Here you go. Get it? You want more? Oh, you're not quite finished with that yet. That's good stuff. You want more? Are you all done? All done. Okay. You can turn it off. Oh, where's Daddy?
We help people just like Maya. Regular people who got in over their heads in credit card debt and want their lives back.
Say hey, Daddy man. Hey, where's Daddy? Get Daddy. You gonna look out the window? What do you see, huh? Yeah. There's not a kitty cat out there. I see a bird. You see a bird? Oh. Shh. Where's Daddy? Liam, get Daddy. Where's Daddy? Get him. Go get Daddy. Get Daddy. Hey. Get Daddy. Want some more? You want this? No, you don't need that one. You want this? Yes. Okay. You're supposed to put the spoon in your mouth, crazy boy. Mmm. Mmm. Oh, and we're all done. Oh, you dropped your spoon?
Get your blanket. Get your blanket.
Where's your blanket, Liam? Oh. Oh, you found the top to the water bottle. That's a smart boy.
It's empty.
It's empty.
Put it on.
This. What's that? Right? There you go. He's like, hey, I did it. Stop it. That way I can put it on YouTube. Hey, can you say bye? Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
See you later. Tell Daddy bye-bye. Can you tell him night-night?
Bye.